Hi Somas, it's Liz. I thought I'd pop back onto video to give you an update this week. And before I share what's coming up in class this week, just wanted to say it was so lovely to see everyone who joined the Central Wellness in Lincoln Open Day on Saturday. And I was there teaching a class, a somatic movement class. And it was wonderful to see lots of new faces. Well, everybody was new apart from one old client of mine. And it really lights me up. This is why I teach what I teach. It really lights me up when people really feel how free movement, restored posture, reduced pain can be effortless. And that's really what you get through somatic movement. So yeah, that was a wonderful start to my Saturday, and then I went off to spend the weekend with my gorgeous nephew in Hull. So yeah, had a great time there. So this week I'm going to be teaching you a really lovely movement, a new twist that I've sort of created from my own personal practice, and a whole sequence building up to that which releases tension in the hips. It releases the tension, but it also strengthens the hips. So a beautiful sequence which is going to be part of the class that I'm going to be sharing this week. So I hope that I get to see you in class, whether that is online or in person. And if I don't get to see you, don't forget you can always access my library of classes. There's over 200 classes now in my library. And I hope you have a really great day and I get to see your Soma soon.